G'day folks, this is Cleggy for detectorist.com.au, and what I want to introduce you to today is the complete fines restoration kit. What we've got today is the complete range of Andre's pencils and also the Boreas Wax. So in this kit you get all this gear to keep your fines clean, or get them clean, and then keep them looking their best. So we've got the fine point Andre's pencil down here for your fine work. We've got your large Andre's pencil, a little bit thicker for getting rid of the bit more of the main crud. You've got the brass scalpel right at the top there. This one here is for getting rid of the really thick dirt off the coin before you go in with your thick brush and then clean it up with the fine brush. And then you've got your wire finishing brush there to finish it off and get rid of all the dust off the coin. The finishing brush is double-ended there. Over this side we've also got the new refillable finishing brush with a refill, and we'll also chuck in the 4-pack of refills there as well. A lot of people are using the brushes quite a lot, so with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 brush tips in the kit, there's plenty there. These other pencils here don't wear out very fast at all. Finally, right up the top, we've got the white fiberglass pencil. Now this pencil here is used for getting rid of some of the more stubborn dirt, and if in the really fine areas, this pencil here is able to be used with some distilled water or something like that to help lift the really stubborn junk and dirt and stuff right in the coin. So fiberglass pencil, the full 4-pack, add that one for the 5-pack, also the refillable brush, the refills, and finally the Boreas Wax. The Boreas Wax will, after you've restored your fine back to its previous glory, or as good as you're going to get it, cover it in the Boreas Wax, and that will preserve your fine and keep it looking its best for a long time. This stuff will also prevent verdigris and the verdigris spreading from coin to coin. So if you have got coins that you like and they do have a little bit of verdigris on them, the Boreas there will stop that stuff in its tracks. So there we go, the full fines cleaning and restoration kit. All the Andre's pencils, plenty of brush chips, and the Boreas Wax there to finish it all off. Chuck it in your cart today. Those precious coins and the really nice ones that you get out of the ground and you want to keep. On rainy, horrible days, a little bit like it is out my window today, you can grab your fines restoration kit, get into it, and make those fines absolutely look their best. Thanks very much, guys. This is Cleggy. This is the full fines restoration kit. Chuck it in your cart today. Have a great day, happy hunting, and happy fines restoring. Cheers guys, take care, bye bye.